Welcome to our walkthrough of the Empower tracking site. This is for tracking workouts and recording all your fitness goals. This is a product that's offered by Matrix Fitness and powered by NetPulse, and we're really excited to show it to you today. The first thing to recognize when you're signing into the Empower tracking site is that you're going to the correct URL or web address. You find this web address when you create a username on a 7XI piece of equipment. The email that you get as a welcome will automatically direct you to the correct URL. Once you're here, you have the ability to sign in using your XID or to create a new XID using the sign up feature. By pressing sign up, you'll be given a series of steps to follow through where you create your own ID and then provide your personal information in order to complete the registration. The XID is the numeric code that you use to access both the 7XI equipment, any other NetPulse powered platforms, and the Empower tracking website. For this demonstration today, we'll be logging in as the Matrix user. The first thing you see when you log in is going to be this dashboard. Now the dashboard gives you a quick look at everything that's going on in your facility. So the first thing you can see is your quick view of your workouts. This will show you your most recent workouts, the workouts you performed in the last week, or the workouts you performed in the last 30 days. Right below that, you'll see your progress that you have towards your goals. Now you can set goals in this website, and this bar will actually show you how you're progressing as you work to attain those goals. Moving down the page, you'll see the club feed. Now, the club feed shows you the user activity that's going on with users in your facility. So this goes to all of the members in your respective facility that have their own XID, that are working out, that are tracking their equipment. All of their workouts are all appearing up here. This will let you see what kind of time and calories that they're burning, and you have the opportunity, just like most social media sites, to applaud their work, and you can comment on their efforts and say great job or keep it up in order to support and build some community within your facility. If you want to look at your own personal history, simply click on the My feed, and that will show you your history of workouts, any challenges that you've entered, any goals that you've set, and any personal best that you've attained as you start working out. Moving down the page as well, the only other thing that you'll see here is the challenge overview. Now this one is a completed challenge that ended recently, so it will appear on my completed challenges list, and we can look in and see how the challenge went. We'll get further into detail on the challenges later. Our next step is to look at the Goal Center. Now the Goal Center shows us the goals that we've set, how far we are towards those goals, and the time we have left in order to attain those goals. So this is what you'll see when you've already set a goal. Once you've set a goal, you have the ability to extend it or restart it, or if you want to start over altogether, you can delete your goal. Here we're going to delete this existing goal, and we'll create a new goal. You'll see now that you have the ability to change the number of workouts, calories, time, or distance for your goal parameter. We'll set one for calories. The next you set is what do you want to have per week. So we will set a 1,200 calories per week goal for the next 2 weeks. At this point, you can create a name, or you can go with the standard name that's provided. Now we have our goal. It's already set. It tells me what my whole target is, how I've progressed to it, remaining, and then how many days I have remaining to reach that goal. As I get moving with this goal, I have the ability to extend the goal if I would like to. Our next look here is at the workout history. Workout history allows us to take a look at everything that we've done, both with the 7XI equipment, anything else that we've logged in with our XID to work out on, And then to actually manually add workouts if you do things outside of cardiovascular fitness on fitness equipment. So you can do strength training, any sort of physical activities that you're doing. You can actually record these all as workouts in here. Additionally, if you have apps for your phone or tablet, such as MapMyFitness or Runkeeper, for example, you can actually add those in, link them to your account, and then any workouts that you perform and record using those apps will automatically be imported into this screen. What we'll look at here is a treadmill workout. The treadmill workout will show you the distance that you're covering over the course of the time, and then you can actually track your heart rate if you're using a telemetric receiver, as well as the speed levels that you set as you go. Tracking these makes it much easier to actually see your progress and see the shape of your workouts, so you can show that you're improving workout over workout as you work to attain your fitness goals. You also have the ability to filter your workouts by all of your workouts, only treadmill workouts, all non-treadmill cardio, so that would be bikes, ellipticals, the Matrix Ascent Trainer, and the Matrix Climb Mill. Any manually added workouts, that would be strength training, things like that. Or if you have workout apps, so if you're running or biking outside and tracking that with Fitbit or MyFitnessPal or Runkeeper, those sort of apps are all available to be filtered out using the apps. You can also see this breakout in weekly progress, monthly progress, and yearly progress. Using these sliders, you can actually change if you want to look at the past year, the current year, month over month, and week over week. This is where you will change the different weeks that you're working out on. To manually add your workout, you simply click Manually Add Workout. At this point, you'll be able to select the workout type that you selected. So in this case, we'll do tennis as an example, and we'll set a time that we worked out. The calories will automatically be calculated based on the information you gave regarding your age and weight at setup, and then the time that they provided and the calculations that they have built into these machines. So now that we've added that workout, it will appear up here as a manual entry for 45 minutes, and it shows the calories that we've burned. Alright, the next thing that you can look at here is challenges. Now the challenges are set to be for any facility-wide or organization-wide group of people, and the challenges are typically built out to be a competition amongst you and your fellow members of your facility. This is a great way to get yourself involved and stay a little bit more active in a facility. You can simply sign up for a challenge by clicking on it and then selecting a Join Now button. The Join Now button will appear right here for all available challenges that can be signed up for. Once you've signed up, you're able to come back to this challenges page at any time to see the leaderboard, break it out by your age to see where you rank against people in your specific age group or gender. You can also review the challenge rules and prizes, and then look at the info that you have, which is your progress towards these specific challenges. The next thing you'll see here is the entertainment. One of the great features on the 7XI is the ability to watch on-demand music videos. While the 7XI app for on-demand music videos does provide a series of preset playlists via the channels buttons, you also have the ability to create your own specific playlist. There are over 5,000 songs in the on-demand music library, and you can access them all here. To add a song, simply find the artist that you'd like to listen to, pick the song that you'd like to add to your playlist, and hit the plus sign. You'll see that it automatically puts itself at the top of your music playlist. Now you can shuffle this playlist and delete any songs that you want to at any time. Now the next time you walk up to a piece of 7XI equipment and select the on-demand music videos option, you'll be able to see this playlist and play through the songs at your leisure. The last thing that we want to look at today is the settings. This is where you can actually take control over what you are doing within your account. And so by selecting this small gear option and choosing any of these items, you'll be able to get the settings bar that's listed right below your main dash bar, and that will give you the option to access all of those menu settings. So first of all, we'll see the workouts. This gives us a full list of all the workouts that we've performed, challenges we've completed, goals we've completed, time we've worked out, and the distance that we've accomplished. Activity. This gives you another look at the My Feed option. Now the My Feed is again available on that front dashboard, but if you'd like to look at it in another place, you can find it here. You'll be able to see the new goals that you've started, the challenges that you joined, any personal records that you've set, and any workouts that you've performed. These are all available for you to see to track your progress in the form of sort of a social feed data timeline. Next, you have the account settings. Now, the account settings allows you to change your first and last name, which will actually appear when you sign in as a user on the 7XI. Instead of giving you just simply your XID, it will recognize your username. You can go through and also change your home club. The home club is important because if you switch from being a member of one facility to a different facility, you can actually switch your home club for the Empower tracking site. That will allow you to use your new facility's Empower tracking page as opposed to your old facility's Empower tracking page in order to see all of your workouts. You can set your preferred units of measure, time zone, and you can change your profile picture. Currently, we have a list of avatars that are available, though moving forward you'll be able to integrate your Facebook profile picture as this option. Moving down, you'll also have the ability to set your gender, birth date, height, weight. These are all things that you set at the time of creating your XID. So if any of these change, you can certainly go in and change them at the time. You can also change your password and your XID if you need to. The XID is the one that you'll use as you sign in. The passcode is the 4-digit ID that you use to sign in both to the Empower tracking site as well as the 7XI equipment and any other NetPulse powered workout tracking platforms. For the privacy settings, this simply allows you to decide if you want those workout histories, goal accomplishments, personal bests, and challenge rankings posted to the club's social feed, or if you want to keep them private so that they appear only on your feed. If you set it public, then other users will be able to applaud and comment the work that you're doing, and they'll be able to see the history of the workouts that you've done. For communication, you have the ability to decide if you want to receive emails from the Empower tracking site giving you summaries on how you are performing towards your fitness goals. You can get notifications for any goals that you set and complete, any challenges that you're participating in, and then any summaries for workouts, weekly, monthly summaries to just let you get a snapshot of your progress. Account linking is a great feature that's included with the Empower tracking site. With the account linking, you have the ability to, as we'd mentioned briefly before, tie some of your other workout and fitness apps into your Empower tracking profile. Now this allows you to have one central place to see your status on your MapMyFitness or MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, any of these workout apps that you might use outside of the gym, and now you have one central place that you can find your progress on all of them. To link, you simply click link on the page and it will take you to a sign-in page for that site. Once you've actually logged in and click allow, it will actually redirect you back to the page.